Good afternoon, 7th grade science students. I hope this video finds you doing well and coping with a new normal. My intent today is to go through my lesson plan that hopefully you've found through the Ogden School website, or more than likely someone in your house, your parents more than likely received a messenger email with the links to the appropriate lesson plans. So again, my intent today is just to go through quickly how they work. Each week I'm going to post an essential question. Our topic this week is potential energy. That is a new topic for us. We're still obviously using STEM scopes, and that's the next scope in our series of physical science curriculum. So the question that I'm going to prompt to you, you guys can read: what can change the amount of potential energy in an object? And we're going to use the STEMscopedia to launch that discussion or to help you answer this question. The other part of this is the resources listed underneath that heading. So I have a lab that you can do, an easy lab that you can do at home. That is a link. This is the only manner in which you can find this lab, is the link on this document. So there are a few different types of potential energy listed here. You simply read through them, and then you're prompted with some questions at the end. I'm not asking you to post these answers. Again, this is just evidence to support you answering the essential question: what's going to change the potential energy in a given object? And then let's count these here: 1, 2, 3, 4 other videos or PhET simulations for you to work with in answering this question. Before the end of the day, I will post this essential question into Classroom, and we will simply use that as a source to where you can post your answers. I hope you guys are doing great. I miss you, and I hope to create another video and at least reach out in that manner to visit with you.